All right, let's try a matching problem. We're given 4 linear functions on the left-hand side and 4 lines graphed for us already. So let's try to eliminate one at a time or match them up. All right, so the first thing I notice as I'm looking here, we have 3 of the lines cross the y-axis right here. At +3, only one crosses down here at -3. That -3 feels like an outlier to me. So on each one of these, as we get matching, we're going to be thinking y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept. So only one of these has a y-intercept at -3. That's going to have to get matched up with g. All right, because it has a y-intercept up here at -3. All right, so g's out, taken care of. All the rest of them have a y-intercept at +3, but they have different slopes for this line. Now, on 2 of these, 3 up at the top, they're going up, they're increasing. Those are going to have positive slopes, where only one of them is decreasing. That's going to have a negative slope. Hopefully you notice over here, h has a negative slope. So let's go ahead and match that up with the one that's decreasing over time. So that's going to be h over here. All right, comparing the others, let's think about those slopes, 2 and 1/2. These are easy to get confused. Let's think 2 can be rewritten as 2 over 1. If we think rise over run, because we're given a graph for this, that would mean that starting at a point we know, we would go up 2 and to the right 1 to get to another point on that same graph. All right, up 2 and to the right 1 because they're both positive. All right, you can make them both negative and go down 2 and to the left 1 if you would rather. -2 over -1 is equivalent to 2. That would mean go down and left. All right, so starting at a point we know, we can go down 2 and to the left 1. That's the other way to think about this. But all roads lead to the same thing, that +2 is f. All right, and f appears to go along with this line where you're going up 2 and to the right 1. Well, that only leaves one more for us, but let's double check, make sure it does work out. If you have a slope of 1/2, that would mean go up 1 and to the right 2. So let's think about this. If you start here and you go up 1 and to the right 2, you get to, sure enough, the only remaining line that we haven't identified yet. Remember, that's going to be j. Goes along here, and I erased it, but this was f down here. All right, hope this helps. Good luck.